Are your Tundra or Sequoia door locks acting up? This A-premium door lock latch actuator set might just be the fix you've been searching for. It's designed to replace those worn-out original parts on the front driver and passenger sides of your 2001-2007 Sequoia or 2004-2006 double-cab Tundra. The product description highlights that it's built with sturdy plastic and high-density metal, aiming to be more durable and reliable than the OE parts. It claims to meet or even exceed original equipment specifications, which is always a good sign when you're looking for a replacement part. The main function here is to restore normal door lock operation, solving those frustrating issues where doors won't lock or unlock properly, and ensuring the system responds sensitively to your commands. It's a two-piece set, which is convenient if both front doors are experiencing problems. The reference numbers provided, 693,040C010 and 693,030C011, are crucial for ensuring you get the correct part for your specific vehicle. A-Premium also backs this with a 1-year unlimited mileage guarantee, which offers a good layer of confidence for buyers. Overall, if you're dealing with faulty door locks on these specific Toyota models, this actuator set appears to be a solid, well-supported option to get your doors working like new again.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.